How to get a scholarship at the University of Toronto. Welcome to this video. Today you will learn how to study at the University of Toronto with a full scholarship. Let us begin. Point 1. The University of Toronto offers many scholarships to international students. One of the most popular is the Lester B. Pearson International Scholarship. Point 2. This scholarship covers full tuition. It also includes books. It also covers residence and other expenses. Point 3. To apply for this scholarship, you must be nominated by your high school. Then you must apply to the University of Toronto. Point 4. You must be an international student. You must be in your final year of high school. You must plan to start university the next year. Point 5. You must show excellent academic achievement, leadership skills, and commitment to your community. Point 6. First ask your school if they can nominate you. Only schools that are recognized by the university can nominate students. If your school is not registered, they can apply to become a nominating school. Point 7. After nomination, you will receive a personal link to the scholarship application. You must also complete the university admission application. Point 8. The deadline to be nominated is usually in November. The scholarship application is due in December. Admission application is due in January. Point 9. If you are selected, you will receive full funding to study at one of the best universities in Canada. This scholarship is very competitive, but if you work hard and show your true potential, you have a real chance. Good luck with your journey to the University of Toronto.